A natural cream that improved the condition of my skin. Add 2 tablespoons of cloves into a pan with water. They help cleanse the pores and smooth the skin's surface. Then add a few bay leaves. Heat it until the water turns brown. Bay leaves have hidden properties. They are soothing and antiseptic. Strain the infusion through a sieve. Put it back on the stove and add 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Stir until everything dissolves and thickens. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It moisturizes the skin and works against wrinkles. Apply this cream to your face and hands. Since it's made from natural ingredients, keep it in the fridge, no longer than 2 weeks. Your skin will thank you. Natural collagen that will surprise you. Since my grandmother started using it, her wrinkles have literally disappeared. Her skin is now silky smooth. No expensive cosmetics can replace this. Start with parsley. It has properties you've probably never heard of. It contains vitamin C, brightens dark spots, and stimulates the natural production of collagen. Wash a bunch of fresh parsley thoroughly. Add some baking soda and pour in water. Cut off the thick stems and chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Place everything in a pan and add about 500 milliliters of water. Cook on low heat until the water darkens. Blend everything in a tall container until you get a smooth paste. Strain it through a sieve and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cook on low heat until it forms a creamy consistency. Add a few drops of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe gel. Mix everything together and store in an airtight jar. Apply the homemade cream to the wrinkles around your eyes, hands, décolletage, or dry spots. Gently massage into the skin. After just 1 minute, you'll notice that your skin becomes smooth, firm, and visibly nourished. Use this cream every day. The simplest and most natural things provide the most spectacular results. Just 1 product is enough to unclog your drain. And you probably already have it at home. No need to spend money on expensive store-bought chemicals. Drains usually get blocked by hair, cosmetic residue, and various liquids. The water starts draining more slowly, which quickly becomes annoying. First, dry the drain thoroughly and wipe it with some paper. This product works best on a dry surface. Now, apply it directly onto the drain and leave it for a few minutes to do its job. During that time, it starts breaking down hair, buildup, and residue that block the flow of water. Then, prepare some hot water and slowly flush it down. You'll see the water suddenly begin to drain much faster. The drain becomes clean and clear, almost like new. The whole process takes just a moment and doesn't require any effort or harsh chemicals. All you need is a regular hair removal cream you already have in your bathroom. It contains active ingredients that dissolve keratin, making it perfect for dealing with hair and buildup in the drain. A simple trick with surprisingly effective results. Try it once, and you'll keep coming back to it.
Apply cloves to your hands and see what happens. You won't recognize your own hands. Take a large handful of cloves and grind them using a blender or coffee grinder. Put the crushed cloves in a pot and pour 200 milliliters of water over them. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and turn on the stove. Heat the mixture, but you don't have to boil it. Thanks to the tannin content, cloves can slow down the aging process of the skin. They have antioxidant properties that block the development of free radicals. Coconut oil has similar properties. Cloves are effective in fighting fungi and have a strong anti-inflammatory effect. The skin, thanks to cloves, can become smoother, radiant, and free of discoloration. When the mixture is heated, strain it into a container and let it cool. Pour it into a spray bottle. Clove oil reduces irritation and helps maintain a healthy appearance of the skin. When applied to hands, face, or other areas of the skin, it also protects against insects. Taking care of our skin, we simultaneously protect it from ticks, mosquitoes, fleas, or spiders. Just spray the skin on your hands and massage it in. Apply to hands, face, and skin. Using this mixture relaxes and soothes muscle tension. It reduces stress. Additionally, the essential oils in cloves have pain-relieving effects, including relief from migraines and lowering blood pressure. When I run out of my clove and coconut oil bottle, I immediately prepare another one. Everyone asks about the secret of my skin.
Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes.
Beauticians add coffee to Nivea cream. It turns it into a product that rivals luxury skincare. It might sound odd at first, but once you try it, you'll be hooked. If you've got ground coffee at home, you can actually use it in your beauty routine. When mixed with Nivea cream, it creates a DIY treatment that saves both time and money. Put 2 teaspoons equivalent of Nivea cream in a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. Then add in 1 tablespoon of honey. The enzymes in honey gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells while also acting as a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Mix everything well. Coffee is packed with anti-aging properties. Caffeine and other polyphenols help slow down the breakdown of vitamin C in the skin, keeping it smooth and preventing new wrinkles from forming. This powerful combo works wonders.
Your face can look several years younger. All it takes is enriching your cream with 2 simple ingredients to greatly boost its effectiveness. Add 2 capsules of vitamin E to half a jar of classic blue Nivea cream. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, slows down skin aging, and helps reduce wrinkles. It also supports the skin's natural barrier, keeping it smooth and nourished. The next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Mix it thoroughly with the cream. Aloe supports skin regeneration and, thanks to sterols, stimulates the production of collagen and hyaluronic acid. This mixture enhances the cream's action and provides the skin with valuable nutrients. Apply it daily to your face and décolleté and you'll notice results quickly. Used regularly, it becomes an easy addition to your skincare routine that delivers long-term benefits. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive anti-wrinkle products.